We wish. You have to sing.
Hello, MFC Dubai family! It's the most wonderful time of the year. Almost December na.
Yes, and we just want to say that we are proud of the community that we have all made together through these years.
Hindi tayo, kundi siya. We bring back all the glory to Christ kung ano ang meron tayo ngayon.
This bear months is a great time for us to reflect and recollect and be reminded of the true reason of this season. And that is our Lord Jesus Christ.
More than the gifts or handaan, ang pag-ibig ng Diyos na ipinakita niya sa atin through His Son should take the center stage.
So as faithful servants, let's continue to share that hope, love, and charity sa mga pamilya natin, kaibigan, at sa buong community.
As we celebrate this shining, shimmering, splendid Christmas, let's keep Christ as the center of our celebration. And remember the tagline,
each of us is a light.
Together we shine brighter. Merry Christmas, MFC Dubai!
4, 3, 2. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry